Hey guys, how are you all doing today? In today's Clean With Me, we are going to be tackling a bunch of messes and a bunch of spaces that have been neglected a ton recently. So we are going to show them some love and we are going to get a ton of cleaning done. I hope that you enjoy this video and I hope that you get tons of cleaning motivation from it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like Clean With Me videos, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button if this is your first time stopping by. I hope that you guys love this, and I would love nothing more than for you to get up and clean with me. So let's tackle our to-do list together. Come and say hi in the comments and let me know a place in your home that has been neglected recently.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different.
We are going to start today's video off in my son's room because it is a complete disaster and it has been neglected for quite some time. We haven't been picking up around the house lately because I've been super busy painting our kitchen cabinets and getting that all started. So today is the day we are going to tackle our to-do list. We are going to get some cleaning done, and I hope that this video gives you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle some stuff on your to-do list. Thank you guys so much for being here. It means the world to me to have you click on this video and watch and clean with me. I love getting to know you guys and connecting with you, so don't forget to come and say hi in the comments if you haven't already done so. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Bronte. I am a stay-at-home mom of two little ones. I have a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. So there are plenty of messes around the house that need to be cleaned up. So I have tons of cleaning motivation on my channel every single week. I usually upload on Wednesday and Saturday morning. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it, turn on your notifications, and stick around for tons and tons of cleaning motivation every single week. So like I said, we are going to start in my son's room. It's been a hot minute since I've picked it up, since he's picked it up, since anyone has really picked up anything in this room. So we are going to tackle that today. There's Legos, there's toys, there's dress-up stuff all over the place. The closet is just as much of a mess as the bedroom is, so we are going to get to that too.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with.
We are going to move on to straightening up this hot mess closet. There is the most random stuff all over the place. There's dress-up stuff, there's puzzle pieces, there's a deck of cards. We've got everything all over the place in this closet. I recently decluttered and went through all of the kids' toys and got rid of stuff so that cleaning up stuff like this wouldn't be so bad. But it is still so much stuff, and there's always a mess in here. This is kind of like our main toy storage area because my son's closet is rather large for one little person and my daughter's room is really small, so we just use this area as our main toy storage. So it works out great because he does have the big closet and we do have the space to put all of the toys in here, but when it comes time to clean everything up, oh my goodness, it is a pain in the booty. It takes so long sometimes, so today we're straightening it up and we're getting it back in order. I also just wanted to take a minute and thank those of you who gave me suggestions for my allergies. I have been implementing those and starting to do what you guys have suggested, and it has helped tremendously. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I seriously appreciate it. I know this is a cleaning video and my last video was a cleaning video too, so I don't really need to be talking about allergies, but you guys have seriously helped me so much. I was miserable. So thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really, really helped me. So as I had just mentioned, I have been using your suggestions, and today I am trying dusting with a damp cloth versus using a dry cloth, and it definitely helped. There was less dust flying around in the air, so thank you to those of you who suggested that. I very much appreciate it.
It's all different, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God.
I feel like a terrible mom seeing this fan and how dusty it was. I never realized just how bad it was. So we are dusting this today because it is absolutely disgusting. We do use the fan, and the fact that we were using a fan that looked like this in my child's room really just, I can't even believe it, you guys. I cannot believe that this fan looked so bad. So we cleaned this up, we got it all nice and clean, and I dusted the rest of my son's room as well. And I am also going to be dusting the walls, and I'm going to show you my favorite dusting hack for doing so, because it is a game changer, it is a lifesaver, and it will save you so much time if you do this. And if you are somebody who dusts their walls often, I didn't even know dusting the walls was a thing until we moved into this house, and I realized how dusty the walls in my own bedroom get. So we are gonna do that, and it is super, super simple, and it will change your life.
Tell me what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so if you have some sort of mop or even a Swiffer like I have, use a microfiber cloth or even the mop to dust your walls, because it will save you so much time. When I first moved into this house, I did a video and I was dusting the walls just using a microfiber cloth and climbing up on chairs and climbing up on furniture to dust the walls. And somebody else had suggested this, and it has changed my life and saved me so much time. So try it, let me know what you think. Come back and leave me a comment, or leave me a comment in my next video letting me know what you think, because it works so well. Oh my gosh, it saves so much time. And today I'm going to be using my Shark Rocket vacuum. It is a stick vacuum and I am obsessed with it. I've talked about it a million times in my other videos, so if you have been watching my videos for a while, I am sorry for sounding like a broken record, but I just love this vacuum so much. It is super affordable. I don't really have any experience with a Dyson to compare the two, but I don't think I will ever own a Dyson because I just love my Shark so much.
Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe.
Moving on to the loft, this is kind of like the kids' actual play area where they come and run and play around up here. So we're going to straighten this up. This is where their play kitchen is. So we're going to get all of their play kitchen straightened up, and we're going to wipe it down because it's also super dusty. And then this is also the area that serves as my husband's gaming office area. It's not really an office because it's an open loft, but this is where he has all of his computers set up. So we are going to get those all cleaned up too. I'm trying to go through the house and re-dust everything as much as possible because, like I mentioned earlier, my allergies have been out of control. We are also going to be dusting the vents and the ceiling fan, and I'm also going to be cleaning inside of the vents and changing out our air filters in hopes that that will help me. But today I am going to be using the Method pink grapefruit cleaner. and it smells so good. It gives the house a nice fresh summery scent, and it just makes everything smell so nice, and it also works really well, so that's a plus too.
It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
Okay, I have a question for you guys. How often do you change your air filters for your heating and cooling system? I know you're supposed to change them every few months, but I feel like I forget to change them, and maybe that's why my allergies are so bad. But how often are you changing yours? I know there are some people that clean theirs and then just reuse them. Is that a thing? Is that something that everybody does? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you are still with me, leave me your favorite emoji in the comments down below and come say hi.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the wait, I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
That is disgusting.
'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. I know you're wrong, 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I am too. Don't wanna
Time to clean up the bathroom. This is my kids' bathroom. I feel like today's video is mostly focused on cleaning up their stuff and cleaning up stuff that they use quite often, such as this bathroom. So we are gonna get the bathroom clean. The first thing that I'm doing is wiping down the cabinets because there's toothpaste splatters all over the cabinets because apparently my kids are very messy when they brush their teeth. So we're gonna clean up the countertop, we're gonna clean the mirror, and I'm just using that pink grapefruit by Method to wipe everything down. And I'm also going to be cleaning up their bathtub and cleaning the toilet because, you know, if you've got kids that are young and using the potty, cleaning the toilet is something that has to be done all of the time. And I'm using the Stinky 7th generation disinfecting bathroom cleaner. This is a lemongrass scent. I mentioned before in one of my videos that it does not smell good and it does not smell fresh, but we have it and we're gonna use it. I now know why it was fully stocked on the shelves at Target, because it is not a good scent. And if you like it, I am sorry. Hopefully that doesn't offend you. But oh my gosh, it's not good. And I'm using the Clorox Cleaning Bleach Toilet Bowl Cleaner. That is my go-to toilet bowl cleaner. It works really well. The scent isn't overpowering and it gets the job done. We're gonna let the 7th generation sit on the toilet for 10 minutes because that is what is recommended to sanitize it. So that is what we're gonna do. And while we are doing that, we're gonna clean the bathtub using soft scrub cleanser with bleach. I like to use a bleach cleanser in the bathtub because I like to keep the bathtub as clean as possible because I've got 2 little ones taking baths in here, and I'm just gonna scrub it with a sponge. And I do thoroughly rinse it down when I am done using any sort of bleach product in the bathtub. I do not want my babies sitting in any sort of bleach when they take a bathtub, so I make sure that I rinse it down really well. And then again, before they get in the bath, I will rinse it down for a second time just for safe measure.
Out of my head, I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head, out of my head. I got time for you, I got time for you, so be mine. Would you give me time to give it all to you, give it all to you? Let me give it all to you, give it all to you, yeah. Let me give it all to you.
I hope that this video has given you a ton of cleaning motivation. I am so thankful for all of you, and I really, really appreciate you taking time out of your busy day and your busy schedule to sit down, stick around, or watch my video from whatever device you are watching it on. Thank you guys so much. I wish I could explain to you how much it means to me. When you watch my whole video, I don't even have words to explain it to you, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment introducing yourself or just coming by to say hi. Have an amazing day. If you need more cleaning motivation, click on one of these videos up here on this screen, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Would you give me time?